How to use your iPad as a teleprompter. Part 1. How to choose teleprompter hardware and software. This video describes teleprompters in general and gives advice for choosing the teleprompter hardware and software for your iPad. Lastly, this video shows how to create prompt text on your desktop for exporting to your iPad. When you don't show yourself in your videos, you can just read from a script and don't need a teleprompter. To make computer tutorials, I record program actions performed on the right monitor and record that monitor while I read the script from the left monitor. Also, you don't need a teleprompter when adding a narration to a previously recorded video when you're not showing yourself speaking. When you are recording yourself speaking in a video, it's a very good idea to use a teleprompter and read a prepared script from the teleprompter. I'm going to start reading the script from the teleprompter that's running right now. USB wired connection between the camera and a PC or laptop. The older cameras may come with a disk of software, or you can download their apps from their website. As I read this, I'm looking directly into the camera lens and reading the text that is scrolling in front of that lens. There are many teleprompters ranging from $100 for very primitive models up to thousands of dollars for professional models that have their own displays. For home videos, I recommend using an inexpensive teleprompter that displays text from an iPhone or iPad. After reading many reviews, I selected the Caddy Buddy teleprompter for the iPad, which costs about $159 plus shipping. This is a picture of it. Your camera goes on a mount that's fully adjustable up, down, forward, back, in front of a half-silvered mirror that's tilted so that when you look this direction, you see a reflection of the iPad scrolling your prompt text, and you're looking directly into the lens. It's very simple, it's very easy to set up. There is a black shroud with the teleprompter that fits around the glass and around the camera so that as you look at the prompt script, you don't see distracting light through the mirror. Here is the URL for the Caddy Buddy website. On that website, you can both order the Caddy Buddy and watch a video showing exactly how to set up and use the Caddy Buddy. There is a clickable link below the video window. There are many iPad, iPhone teleprompter apps ranging from free to $20. Here are a few of them. The apps scroll the prompt text at an adjustable rate. Any app with a mirror reversing feature will work fine with Caddy Buddy. After reading many reviews, I chose Teleprompt Plus version 3 from Bombing Brain Interactive. Teleprompt lets you create a script or import a script from a computer using Dropbox or Google Drive. You can pause and edit scripts while prompting, can control the app from either the iPad itself or by using a Bluetooth keyboard for the iPad. I suggest you download the user's manual to your desktop or laptop computer for your teleprompter app. For the Teleprompter Plus 3 app, this is the user's manual, and you can download it from this address on the internet. There's a link below this video. The next video will show you how to use the Teleprompt Plus app with the Caddy Buddy teleprompter. But before we do that, we need to create a script on our desktop to be exported to the app on the iPad. First, create a prompt script on your desktop using Notepad, WordPad, or Microsoft Word. I'm using WordPad. Save the prompt script. Then drag the prompt script onto the Dropbox folder. If you enjoyed this Tom's Tech Notes video, please like it and leave a comment. To watch my other videos or to read many computer help articles, please visit my YouTube channel or my website at the URLs shown here. There are links in the video description. When thumbnails appear, click the one at upper left to watch other videos in this playlist. Click at lower left to open a related playlist showing how to take photos and videos with the SLRs. Click my photo to visit the Tom's Tech Notes channel. To subscribe, click the red button. If you don't see the red button, hover over my photo to show it.